Everybody, and welcome to 5 Golden Nights at Freddy's 2. Oh, what? Oh, right. I paid for the game. You can see it on my channel. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Alright, new game. Golden Freddy's, the festival franchise given new life. Come and be a part of our new Golden Freddy's Pizzeria. All your old friends are back, remade and ready. Oh no! Night guard wanted 4:20 a.m. to 6 a.m. Ensure safety of equipment. Alright. What? So it crashed. Best game ever, 10 out of 10. So let's try it again. What is this game? It crashed. Is this supposed to happen? Or is this, I don't know, secret ending or like Golden Unseen Freddy? What is this game, guys? Alright. Yeah. Come on, I don't care. New game. Please. So it crashes. Now let's see if I know how to make it not crash. I think I know. So yeah, I know, but let's see. If we load the game, then what's gonna happen? Okay, that one. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's loading with the crying child. Come on. Don't say that.
Hey, and welcome to your birthday,
What? Bunny Mask? What?
right in front of you that will display all the capabilities of the building. And any of the electronics that through your office, just put on the Bunny Mask. It should work fine. And the event, keep a close eye on the event because some of the electronics tend to go inside the vent and try to murder you from that. And that's
Best game ever. Now what is this game, guys? It's the worst game ever. But the first one was more entertaining. But
hey, and welcome to your
A,
birthday
O,
here on the job
and
at Golden.
S. Oh, sorry, Bunny Mask. So, oh, so many animatronics. So many animatronics, guys. How am I supposed to win this? Oh, close. No, please. Why? I'm not good at games, guys. Let's try again. Maybe this time. Maybe. Let's see. And I hope. Please.
Hey, and welcome to your birthday here on the job at
Yeah.
Golden Freddy's.
At the Golden Freddy's.
And right in front of you that will display all the capabilities of the building. And any of the electronics that we all just put on the Bunny Mask. It should work just
Bunny
fine.
Mask.
And the vents,
The vents, yeah.
Keep a close eye on the vents because some of the electronics tend to go inside the vents and
Please. Why? Who am I supposed to? I'm not good at games. How am I supposed to win? Oh, tell me, please, 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 please. I'll do anything. Please tell me, who am I freaking supposed to do? There are too many animatronics. You guys see how many?
Welcome to your first day here
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the job.
shut the fuck up. I don't want to be mean, but... So, but, I have to be careful. What is this? Oh no, you will not get me now. You piece of crap. Oh, someone is in the vents. How am I supposed to win, guys? This is the hardest thing I ever played. How am I supposed to win this? Oh, it's so hard. It's so freaking hard. So hard. So hard. How am I supposed to win? Seriously. It's so hard.
Hey, and welcome to your
How am I supposed the vent? The animatronic. How am I supposed? Seriously. Someone's coming. Go away. No. Yeah. What was that shadow? No. Bitch, please. Oh, so I have to wait for... What? Can you not jump scare me, please? Can you not jump scare me, please? How am I supposed to win this game, guys? It's so hard. Too many things to do. I don't know, guys. For me, it's too hard. So I will not play it. Sorry, but it's hard to win this game. Maybe I'll play it, but I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.